In a culinary showdown that has sparked intense debate, celebrity chef Gordon Ramsay recently unleashed a blistering critique of Meghan Markle's pasta dish, branding it a total flop. This latest episode has brought discussions about the Duchess of Sussex's culinary skills, and her overall persona, which many find increasingly contentious. As Ramsay's sharp tongue laid bare the flaws of Markle's so-called gourmet creation, fans and critics alike weighed in, further polarizing public opinion around the Duchess. Gordon Ramsay is no stranger to controversy, known for his fiery temper and unfiltered critiques. When he turns his gaze to a dish, it's not just about the food, it's about the chef behind it. In recent years, Markle has attempted to position herself as a relatable figure, often sharing her cooking endeavors with the world. However, Ramsay's scathing review of her pasta left many questioning whether her attempts at culinary artistry are genuine or merely a facade. Critics argue that Markle's privileged background and royal connections complicate her narrative as an everyday cook, making her culinary missteps all the more glaring. In the video that set social media ablaze, Ramsay didn't hold back. He dissected Markle's dish with surgical precision, pointing out the overcooked pasta, lackluster sauce, and uninspired presentation. His commentary was laced with humor, but the underlying message was clear: if you're going to put yourself out there as a home cook, especially in the public eye, you better deliver. This incident has sparked a wider conversation about authenticity, particularly for someone like Markle, who has been criticized for living a life that many perceive as disconnected from reality. This defense raises an important question: should celebrity chefs like Ramsay hold back their opinions to protect public figures from backlash? The answer, for many, is a resounding no. Ramsay represents a standard of excellence in the culinary world, and his critiques can serve as valuable lessons for aspiring cooks, famous or not. Markle's attempts to engage with the culinary arts may have been well-intentioned, but if she wishes to be taken seriously, she must be prepared to face the consequences of her failures, especially in an age where authenticity matters more than ever. The aftermath of Ramsay's roast has seen social media erupt with memes, commentary, and further criticism of both him and Markle. Some have taken the opportunity to ridicule Markle, while others have rallied in her defense, creating a polarized atmosphere that mirrors the divisions in public opinion about her. This incident is not merely about a pasta dish, it symbolizes the broader societal expectations placed on public figures, particularly women, who are often held to impossibly high standards. As the dust settles, it's clear that this culinary clash is far from over. Ramsay's comments have ignited a firestorm of discussion about authenticity, celebrity culture, and the harsh realities of public life. For Meghan Markle, the fallout from this pasta incident may serve as a harsh reminder of the challenges she faces in redefining her identity outside the royal family. Whether she can rise to the occasion and prove her critics wrong remains to be seen. In conclusion, Gordon Ramsay's roast of Meghan Markle's pasta dish transcends mere culinary critique, it encapsulates the complexities of celebrity culture in today's world. As Markle continues her journey, she must navigate the turbulent waters of public perception, authenticity, and the relentless scrutiny that accompanies life in the spotlight.